Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Today we come with the topic, what is Amavasya? What effect does it have on human life? See, Amavasya is of great religious significance in Hinduism. It is considered perfect time in remembering the ancestors and departed souls of the family and worshipping them. It is believed that the day when moonlight is absent, the sunlight reaches them. There is also a belief that on this particular day, the departed souls, forefathers, come down to the earth and visit their children and descendants. Vishnu Dharma Shastra indicates this day as Pitrus, means spirits of the ancestors. People feel everything at extreme on the day of Amavasya. If they are mentally imbalanced, they will feel more imbalanced on Amavasya. Human emotions and qualities are enhanced to peak this day because on this day, gravitational force of moon pulls everything upwards, and the same applies to your blood and energy. Excessive flow of blood in your head and excessive flow of energies in your body leads to this effect. Evil spirits and adverse effects of black magic are very powerful on Amavasya as per astrology and spiritual perspective. As we are all very much aware how moon affects human mind, no moon night or Amavasya makes it more powerless and resistless. In extreme cases, people even go mad or become lunatic. Newborn babies are also adversely affected on this particular day. See, there is a tinge of the destroyer in Amavasya. Generally, on the night of Amavasya, a very feminine energy would either be disturbed because it causes certain fear and disturbance in her. Moon and sun comes together in the same zodiac and conjunction at the same degrees, 12th degree. Moon reflects mind and sun reflects soul, and the close proximity of both in one zodiac creates situation of samadhi, which leads to unusual feelings in physical body and mind both. See, as every coin has two sides, every face of moon also has two sides. As per the astrology, this day is considered very beneficial to offer Shraddh to ancestors and free them from negative energies. This is auspicious day to pray for them. Also, humans attract energies to fight evil on Amavasya, as planets releases more energy on Amavasya and human radiation perceive it. There are some remedies. If you are following it, I am sure you will be able to fight against all ill effects. There are remedies to fight against all ill effects of Amavasya, and yes, I am suggesting you some remedies. See, first of all, I suggest you to flow a spoonful of inflowing stream of water, chanting the name of Shiva. I also recommend you to light a lamp under basil tree praying Saturn. Offer sindoor, oil, clove and black urad to Lord Hanumanji and chant Hanuman Chalisa. I also recommend you to avoid plucking tulsi leaves on Amavasya. I suggest you to make kheer and puri to offer your ancestors after Pitru Karya, as they will bless you and their soul will rest in peace. Amavasya may have its effects on human life, but we should look forward to the new sunrise with hope. May Lord Ganesha protect you from all the evil and negative energies. Ganesha and Lord Srinathji blesses you all the way. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.